Hello, welcome to Mickey and my Craft channel. This is Hilda, your host. How everybody is doing? I hope everyone is okay and having a wonderful weekend and have a wonderful weekend. Today I have an unboxing or bagging of Amazon that I want to share. We're gonna start with this one with the box because I bought for my subscriber. By the way, welcome to all those new subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell so you can notify of new videos. This one, you see, I do keep the leftover drills because I have came across that sometimes I need them. I need to complete because one of the diamond paintings didn't have it, or is missing drills, or there's some drills that I don't like it happened in one of the diamond paintings. So I put my drills, and I have separately the drills with oh, I got some stuff in here, but I don't want to show you that stuff yet, at least not yet. So let me hide it from you. I'll get it later. So I keep my drills in this container. This is a 64 grit. And I have the one from DAC. I have them separately. I'm going to show you one because the other two are the same. I bought 3 because I always like to keep one just in case I need them. So the one from Diamond Art Club, I put them separately because Diamond Art Club, usually they don't change their color. Let me move the light above me a little bit. I know it's darker. Let me turn the other light. Okay, now, so I don't put them together. The AC drills don't change color. I mean, don't change tones. Like, for example, you buy a Chuck Pinson today, and a few months later you buy another diamond painting from other artists like Dominic Davison. If you find like let's see, 333 on Chuck Pinson, it's gonna be the same 333 as the one from Dominic Davison. However, that doesn't happen with the other diamond painting suppliers or sellers, especially the budget friendly. Different sellers of diamond painting, different providers, they might have a different tone or a different shade of the same color. So I have this for Diamond Art Club, and I have this separately for the other sellers. All of them are together in one, but if I find a 333, like, to keep on going with the previous example, if I find a 333 in different shades, so I put it one container for each shade. This one comes with 64 grits. These are what they call it, a TikTok. Let me pull you in a little bit. This is what they call it, the TikTok containers. And what I like about this also is that they have their own stickers. which I use very often. And this one, let me try another one. Yeah, it's easy. Although I use, let me tell you what I use to pour my beads in there, because you don't have to take the whole thing off. This is from Bella Art Nicole. This is like a funnel for this TikTok. They have it also in Y, where you can put the whole thing, and they fit perfectly in there. And you just pour the beads over here. You see? And this is from Bella Art Nicole. I put her website down at the bottom. This is very good. I use it often. That's what I have it handy on my side. And the 64 grit is great to keep your leftovers drills. So I just bought 3 of them because I realized I didn't have none. And I was working on the whole bunch of leftover drills that I had from the previous sellers. So let me put this aside. I got me 3 containers. Let me put this aside too. Now, to the other business. I bought some goodies. I'm loving the keychains. Annie, you got me hooked on keychains. You can convert them in magnets if you want to. So I'm just opening this. I just got this today. I mean, the day that I'm filming this. Not the day that it goes out. So let's see what we got over here. No, that's not diamond painting. These are not diamond paintings. These are a whole bunch of keychains that I bought. So let's do the ones that you're looking at. I'm getting hooked. Annie, it's your fault. You got me hooked on this. You got me hooked. Okay, we have the standard toolkit. This one has baggies on it. We're gonna look at the drills in a while. Let's look at the keychains. Oh, these are the drinking ones. Let me make sure. How many are they? 4. So that's 2, 2, 1, 2. Okay, it's complete. Because you should count this just in case, you know. We're all humans, we can make mistakes. Okay. So these are the keychains about drinks. Which one? Which one? This one looks like it's a drink with lemon. Okay. I don't know. This is some type of other drink. Now, I'm between these two. Because one of these gotta be some sangria. Or I was hoping for a wine glass or a margarita. Strawberry margaritas is my favorite. No salt. So here is the other one. And here is the other one. I can't wait until I do this. They're gonna look so cute. And you can turn it into magnets if you want to. You know? Let's look at the drills for this one. Oh, we got some special drills. Let's look at these ones first. Oh, these are cute. Let me put these aside. Whoops. These are cute. Let's see. Are you gonna hocus pocus? Whoop. I'm off camera today. Come on. Those are nice flowers. I like them. I like those flowers. Here's some big rhinestones in green. Let me. Oh, come on. Hocus pocus, and here he goes. Here's some more. These are big one, nice, faceted, clear, but it seems like it has some, you know, changing colors in there. And if you can see it. Here's two nice big ones. These are very familiar with the cat keychains. Take a look at this one. Oh, I like this one. This is a teardrop that has some ridges in there. It's not facet ridges, but it kind of changed color. It's kind of yellow-green. They're so cute. And here's some more flowers, but these ones are pink. The first one that I show you, they're yellow. So let's see what we got. Those are the special drills. Whoops. We got something over here. I'm gonna put them back in here. So we have some nice rhinestones to look at. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, these are silver. These are silver, and the part that is flat is the black part. That's the one that you stick. So these ones are gonna be silver. These are clear. They all sparkle. Oh my God, I love sparkly drills. And these ones are rhinestones. So, but there's some rhinestone that sometimes comes out dual. But these are very sparkly. And I'm looking into AliExpress for more keychains. Different shades of red. Here's another green ones. Another shade of green. This one is like a gold. It's so nice, so beautiful. This is a yellow-green type. A blue one. Oh, we have some more special drills in here. Look, special shape. Let's see if I can get it. Oops. Get it. This is like a green, and it's faceted. Maybe you won't be able to see it. It's faceted. Hold on just a second, please. Sorry, guys, that was my husband. We're looking at this green faceted one. Come on, Hocus Pocus. Here it is. The small one. These are some big reds. And these are big marquees. Clear ones. Here you go, Hocus Pocus. Let's go back to this green one because I want you to see the faceted. Look how that one is shining. So these are pretty drills and these are cute keychains. And thank you, Annie, for making me addicted to keychains. Well, anyway, I'm getting ready just in case they open the crash shows here in Philadelphia. So some of you know that my husband has been sick. Well, he has like a sprain on his right knee. I have to take him Wednesday to the hospital because the pain, the swelling was lower because he put some ice on it. Some cold compress. Hold on just a second, because I cannot talk and make noise at the same time. Okay. Here we go. He was putting some cold compress and the swelling subside, but still with pain and still with some swelling once in a while. So I have to take him to the hospital. And they gave him some steroids, prednisone, and he has to be out the whole week. The doctor recommended him to rest. So he's at home and I have to film. So I have to stop if he wanted, anything. And this one, they put tape on it, I guess. A little bit. Okay. Oh, I like this bag. This one came on this bag. I like this. I'm going to keep it. So here's another set of keychain. Oh, this one I like. There is another standard toolkit with the baggies. We're going to look at the drills, but let's look at the chains. These are cute owls. All owls are one of my favorite. These ones 2, 4, 5. Owls are one of my favorite. Owls and wolf. Owls are my favorite wild animal. I think they represent wisdom. My husband made me an owl in tiles on our first Valentine many years ago. Okay, it seems like, let me see. They're a little bit different. The background colors are the same, but the owl is different. So let's look at each one of them. These are cute. I like them. Let me see if I can pull you more in. These are gonna be cute. And it's back and front. That's what I like about this keychain. You can turn it into a magnet. Don't do the back and put a magnet on the back and put it in your fridge. But I'd rather have it as a keychain. That's a different one. This one might look the same, but if you can see, the the body is more chubby. Whoa, the body is more chubby. They're so cute. I like owls. I like owls. Look at this one. I can't wait until I do all of them. I'm probably gonna start making all of them pretty soon. These are cute. I definitely like them. Let's see how they turn out. I'm gonna post the post review of the keychain of the previous keychains and stickers that I found so cute. Now, let's look at the drills. Oh, this one is the same, except that this one has some gold on it. And let me check something. Yeah, the flat back is the one that looks like you know, like a diamond crystal. That's the part that you take, but this one is gonna be gold. Come on, hocus pocus. These are gonna be silver. I just don't know if this is, let me put it a little bit back. These are ABs with a few blacks. I don't know if you'll be able to see the AB in there. Changing color, these are white ABs. Aurora Borealis, which is a special coating given to the drills to make them more shiny. These are rhinestones. Oh, I like this purple one. Oh, this pretty, and it's a lot in there. There's a lot of purples in there. Look at these gold ones. These are gold marquees. Yeah, that part that looks like diamond is crystal diamond is a flat part. That's the one that goes against the glue. Here more marquees, but these ones are in purple and they're faceted and they're gorgeous. Look at those gorgeous, look at those sparkle. And this is a teardrop, a clear one. So these are gonna be gorgeous. These owls, I'm gonna love them. So I gotta put the owls over here so I will know this is keychains number 2. So now let's go to these ones. Let's see what we got over here. Oops. Uh-oh. I think I caught I think I caught some of the baggie with the drills. I have to be careful. Oh, but I only cut the top. I didn't cut the whole thing. Okay, here it is, the standard 2 kit. And these one are cupcakes. Oh, that's sticky against each other. These are cupcake and there's 4 of them. Let's look at the first one. Strawberry topping. blueberry and chocolate. I'm the one who's giving them the flavor. Another blueberry. One. Oh, this one could be a blue raspberry. Blue raspberry are usually this color. And this one is a blueberry. And a vanilla. Or lemon, because it has some yellow on it. Vanilla with lemon. They're cute. I'm telling you, I'm liking these, but they're so sticky on the outside too. I wonder. I hope they haven't. Okay. I'm gonna have to put them, I don't know, kind of separate from each other. Seems like the let me see. I think I'm gonna have to do these ones first due to their stickiness. Let me see. Let's look at the drills that I almost cut over. You see, yeah. I only cut this part off. That's what I did. Let's see. Ooh, this is in so many packs. Let's start with the first one. Let's see if we can do some hocus pocus over here. I love these rhinestones. The keychains. I can't imagine a craft show. They will be gone if you sell them at a good price. Oh, look at these ones. I love that green. These gonna be the Chinese cupcakes ever. Look at this. And the thing about this are these rhinestones are so shiny. So shiny. Look at the coast. This is like a topaz color. It looks like a chocolatey. And look, we have some special drills. Here is some more rhinestones. Come on, hocus pocus. Here you go. Here are these big red ones. And some stars. Yeah, some nice stars. So this is gonna be pretty and nothing got spilled, even though I cut the I cut the package a little bit. You know what? I'm gonna throw that away. And I'm probably gonna put them back here until I do them. You know what? I'll leave that for later. Okay, these one I gotta be careful, so I'm gonna try to. They're so hard that I cannot. Let me cut a little bit over here. So we have to be more careful when they come in this package. So thanks to Annie who made me addicted to this. I'm gonna throw these packs away. I gotta blame Annie. I love you, Annie. I blame you with love. You're so nice. You're a wonderful person. With everybody. Not just with me. No matter who they are. And that's the way it should be. I wish there would be more people, more persons like you in the world. This is a standard toolkit. I lost my train of thought. I'm sorry. It's just because she made me vicious about this. I got some more mandalas. I love this mandala keychain because it has so much detail. But this one only has what? Only has 3 of them. No, 4. I'm sorry, 4. Okay, so let's see them one by one. Because pretty soon I'm going to be making them. Look at the amount of detail. Even on the inside over here. And it's also both sides. The same thing goes for the cupcakes. I forgot to show you that. That is one. All this one, the edge is round. So this is another one. I like this one. Kind of strange. I wonder how this one will turn out. And then this one. Those are pretty. Those are pretty. I like them. So let's look at the drills. Okay, so we have some baggy with some special drills. We'll take a look at them pretty quick, pretty soon, after we take a look at this, so we can enjoy them. So, let's see. Can we do some hocus pocus focus here? Here you go. Some more shiny rhinestones. Oh, look at the whole bunch of these ones. These ones are like a yellow, light yellow. And here it is. Oh, look at this pretty blue one. This is some clear ones. Clear? They look like a more gray clear to me. And here is the rest. Now let's look at those special drills. Oh, look at these nice blue ones. These are teardrops. Take a look at this. Those are beautiful. And they have like an AB coating on them. Here is those little sliver ones that, you know, they come in all mandalas. These are red. We got them in like a light blue. Come on. Show yourself. Here you go. Hocus pocus. Let me put these ones like this to see if you can see them better. And these ones that we just saw, I'm just changing the position just for you to guys see it better. I make mistakes in recording. I don't edit anything. This is raw recording, the way it should be, the way I am. Here's some gorgeous faceted, like a pinkish red. And they has like some change of colors on them. That's the daylight. Look at these ones. The same as the blue ones. These are like, these are like pink. So gorgeous ones. I don't have this color. Oh, here more slivers in the little ones, and these ones are in purple. I'm checking them to see if you can see the color. Sorry, that makes you dizzy. Let me check it off camera. Oh, great. Oh, some more of the teardrop, but these ones are white. Those are gorgeous, beautiful. Beautiful white. Well, this is it. No more keychain to see. But don't worry, there come more coming. I'm searching. I'm looking, and thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week, a wonderful weekend. Yeah, I'm gonna be making them soon, and then I do a post review video. I'm gonna have to start with a cupcake since they are kind of a sticky ones. Okay, so again, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. And remember, love and peace to everyone.